Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share what my 2019 December daily ended up looking like. And I can tell you that my foundation pages were done for both 2021 and 2019 by December 1st. And if that would not have happened, if I wouldn't have been prepared, there's no way I could have done the 2 years. So definitely my foundation pages, I'm going to do them again next year because next year I have to do foundation pages for 2 years. So I have a lot of work cut out for me. So let's go through. So this year I did a page that's dedicated totally to just saying that it's 2019. I didn't do that for 2021. I don't know if I'll go back and fix it or if I'll just put 2021 on the front page, like with stickers. I might do that just so that when we open it up, we know it's 2021. So I kind of like this idea. So, I might do that and keep that in mind too for next year. So December 1st, of course, I started my December daily. I made some spaghetti. I make spaghetti at least once a month, by the way. Mason had hockey. He had hockey in 2021 on December 1st, and he had hockey that year. So this year we put our Christmas tree, or we started, we picked our tree. We went to get our tree on December 1st, and then we started decorating on December 2nd. I was working, and Mason had hockey again. And I did some laundry. So on December 3rd, I was working. And of course, in 2019, I was still working. So there's quite a few days in here that there's not a lot of pictures because I was working. So I was working again. We have this awesome coffee machine at work. I took a picture of one of our ornaments. And then Mason had hockey again. And on December 4th, I took pictures of some of the ornaments and again, coffee, because guess what? I was still working because I would work 4 days in a row. Okay, so on December 5th, he had CCM, so hockey again, and I took a picture of hockey, a book reading, some of a mask that I like to do, and just pictures of ornaments. And here we did some shopping for Christmas. We bought some equipment to make a 3D printer and to make some diamond painting pens. I did some laundry. We were finishing off the Christmas tree and I did a mask again. And then on December 7th, again, not a lot. I did my nails. We went shopping. And then here we go again. I started working. So this is 7th and 8th. The 8th, I had no photos. December 9th, I was at work. So I took a few pictures at work. And December 10th was a work day. December 11th was another work day. And then there was hockey. So what I would do whenever I had hockey like this, or work like this, and Mason had hockey, I would get someone to come in early for me. And I would stay later so I could see him play. So I did that a lot. So this was day 11 and 12, I believe. Day 11 and 12. And this is day 13. And again, we went to see the Wildcats this time. It wasn't Mason working. And then here I went for a blood test. And then on December 14th, we went to a Wildcats hockey game again. And my mom, Mason had a hockey tournament. And my mom came and saw him play. And then she also came to the Wildcats game. And it was skate with the Cats. And Mason was on the ice here. And here's one of the Wildcats players. So he thought that was pretty cool. On day 15 and 16th, Josh and I both got new chairs. That was his Christmas present. But it came in through Amazon, and he saw it because it wasn't in another box. So he saw it, so he just put it together. So on day 17, Mason had his concert. And right after that, Dave and I went to, it was women's hockey, Canada versus US. It was so much fun. We loved it. Then on day, that was 17 and 18th, no pics. Sounds like it was I did that quite a bit in 2019. And I think it's because I wasn't doing the pages at the same time, so I kind of forgot after a while. So day 19, Mason had CCM. I got Starbucks coffee. I did my nails again, and I did some voiceover. So on day 21, so that was 19 and 20, I think. Yeah, 19 and 20. Day 21, Mason had a Vipers practice, which is a AAA. That was his first year that he made a AAA team. So they were practicing because they had a tournament coming up. And that's pretty much all that. And I got more Starbucks. That was day 21 and 22. Day 23, we went shopping, kind of last minute. It was my husband's mother's birthday. She had passed away 2 years before, but we went to his niece and we kind of had a birthday cake and had supper there and celebrated her birthday. And Mason had a game. So it was kind of a busy day. Then day 24, we went to my mom's. We had a bonfire on December 24th, and it was such a nice night. We had so much fun. We spent a lot of it outside. Then on day 25th, Christmas Day, there's a family picture of all the kids. Of course, we played that Pong and spoons, and then there's just pictures of all, different kids acting silly. Then on December 26th, we don't like bringing all the gifts at my mom's, so then we had one here, and the kids opened their gifts from us here. And so that was that there. Then on day 27 was that tournament. So it was a 2-line tournament. Him and his friend, we went to Subway, and then after they finished the games for the day, with my mom, we went to McDonald's. It was snowing. There was a storm. It was crazy. Then, again here, I did 29, 30, and 31st, all on the same day, on the same page, because there wasn't a lot of pictures. So I had a lot of pictures on day 29 because this was the tournament, the 2-line tournament. They ended up making it to the finals. They made it second place, so they did really well. And then on the 30th, we went shopping so that we would have stuff to make, for New Year's Eve. And then here again, here's my jalapeno dip and my veggie with the veggie dips, and then our Margaritaville machine. And we played Dance Dance. And that's it. That's 2019. So I am so happy that I have my 2 years done. And I'm glad I persevered. And even though, this was 2 years ago, I didn't give up on this project and I got it done. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.